In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 3D view in Revit. Now to do this, you first want to open your project, you want to view in 3D, and then you want to go to the top here to your toolbar where it says view. Simply click on that, and then from here as you can see it says 3D view. You can click on it and then click on default 3D view. Now whenever you do this, it's going to open up a new tab up here, and as you can see it's going to be our 3D view. So let me actually turn these accelerated graphics on top right, and this is going to allow you to view everything in 3D over here, okay? You can go ahead and zoom using your mouse, and you can of course kind of move around and see how things are looking. If you press in your mouse wheel, you can basically click and or press it in and then drag around to move around. And of course, if you want it from different perspectives, you can do this top right over here. That's going to be the easiest. And then you can simply click on any of these buttons and it's going to show you, of course, different things from different perspectives, just like that. Of course, you can zoom in, zoom out with your mouse wheel, just like you can usually in any other program. And yeah, if you click on this home tab, it's going to go back to default up top like this. Now at the bottom here, you can see this button. So it says visual style. This is going to allow you to kind of change the visual style of what you're seeing. So if you want it to be colors like this, you can leave it like that. You could also make it shaded like that. You could go and do textures as well or not. It's completely up to you. You could do realistic, and then you can go and basically view your creations in 3D view that way, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.